Welcome to the Jams YouTube channel. Hope this video helps you. BMW X4 M Sport, brake pad replacement and brake warning light reset. This time, we're working on a BMW X4 with the M Sport package. We'll be replacing the front brake pads, so we'll start by removing the front wheels. These are the two pins that hold the brake pads in place. To remove the pads, the pins need to be pushed out from the backside. We'll use a punch and a hammer to drive them out. Be careful, the pin isn't always centered, so you may need to align it before pushing it back. Once the pin comes out about 3 centimeters, you can pull it out completely using pliers, tapping gently with a hammer. This is one of the pad retaining pins. Repeat the same process for the other pin. Next, use a screwdriver to gently pry the worn pads away from the brake disc. Remove the second pin the same way, with pliers and gentle hammer taps. Release the metal retaining spring that holds the pads in place using a screwdriver. Unclip the brake wear sensor cable from its mounting points. And disconnect it from the electrical connector. Remove the worn pads by wiggling them slightly until they come loose. As you can see, the brake wear sensor has already been triggered. I'll be installing a new set of genuine BMW brake pads, part number 34116889570. Keep in mind that this part number fits the car I'm working on. It might differ depending on the model, engine, year, and equipment. So I recommend checking the parts catalog before ordering. The brake caliper has 2 pistons on each side, inner and outer. Use one of the old pads and a lever to push the pistons back in. So the new pads can fit properly. Install the new inner brake pad. Tapping it gently with your hand. Or a hammer to make sure it's seated correctly and moves freely. Do the same for the outer pad. After removing the old one, fit the new pad and tap it lightly to seat it properly. Install the metal retaining spring between the 2 pads and tap in the upper retaining pin gently with a hammer. Repeat the same for the lower pin. Install the new brake wear sensor using pliers and secure the cable along its original mounting path. Reconnect the electrical connector. Here's the brake wear sensor installed on the pad. And this is the original routing of the cable along the factory clips. Now, let's reset the brake service warning. Press the start button 3 times in quick succession. Release the parking brake. Close the door and turn the ignition back on. Press and hold the button located at the bottom left of the instrument cluster. When the reset message appears, release and press the button again. You'll see the message, "Perform Reset." At this point, release the button and the system will reset the brake pad service interval. By pressing the same button repeatedly, you can also check other upcoming service intervals by date or mileage. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss future uploads, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.